Importance of drainage and sanitization. Ravi is accompanying his dad for an evening walk. He saw some workers laying pipelines in the ground.
What are they doing, Dad?
They are renewing the drainage system by replacing the old sewage lines with the new ones.
Drainage system is a network of pipes or drains used to dispose the waste water.
Drainage system is used to dispose of the sewage. Old sewage pipes get damaged easily and start to leak. This can pollute the surrounding and make the place unhygienic. This leakage may also contaminate the drinking water and even pollute the underground water.
Contaminate means to pollute, like adding impurities to the water.
To prevent such happening, sewer lines need to be replaced from time to time. There are many slum areas which do not have a proper drainage system to dispose of the sewage. Sewage gets collected in drains or small pools. They become the perfect place for flies and mosquitoes to breed, and decaying of organic substance in the waste water leads to an unpleasant smell. The poor sanitization and contaminated drinking water leads to a large number of diseases like cholera, typhoid, polio, dysentery, etc.
Oh, it means we must be very careful about these pipelines and drainage system.
Yes, Ravi, but there are certain things we need to take care in our homes also.
Why, Dad?
Because sometimes the things we release in our drains block the sewer lines, which may further lead to leakage or overflow of the waste water.
How?
When we throw cooking oil and fats in the drain, they harden and block the pipe. That is why oil and fats must be thrown in the dustbin. There are certain good bacteria in the waste water that help to purify the water. Throwing chemicals like paints, insecticides, medicines may kill those bacteria. The wastes like used tea leaves, solid food remains, sanitary towels, wrappers and plastics must be thrown in dustbin only. Throwing them into the drain will choke it and will not allow free flow of oxygen. This can cause an increase in unpleasant smell and overflow of the waste water.
Okay, now onwards, I will keep these things in my mind while throwing anything in drains.
Very good. Now I will tell you about interesting methods for sewage disposal as a bonus.
Wow, I'm so excited to know about it.
Small village and farmhouses do not have proper drainage or sewage disposal system. So, some alternate methods of sewage disposal are used in such places. One such method is making septic tanks. The sewage is allowed to flow in these tanks, where anaerobic bacteria decompose the waste. In another method, excreta are stored in a biogas plant to produce biogas, which can be used as a fuel. And one new method is recently tested in India. It is a design of a toilet in which human excreta are treated by red worms or earthworms. Here, human excreta are converted into vermicompost, which can be further used as compost for the soil. This toilet is also called as vermi-processing toilet.
That's great information. Thank you, Dad.